This instructional video will show how to fix certain print quality problems. If the image is too light or the images are fuzzy, perform this maintenance procedure. Select the menu key. Scroll down to Adjust Maintenance and press OK. Scroll down to Service Setting, press OK. Scroll through the list and locate Drum. Press on OK. A question mark will appear. Press the button under Yes. The printer will run the drum refresh, which will take several minutes, so please be patient. A countdown will appear on the screen. When the process is complete, the machine will display Ready on the control panel. If the above procedure does not improve the print quality, or if random dots appear on the image, perform this maintenance procedure. Select the menu key, scroll down to Adjust Maintenance, and press OK. Scroll down to Service Setting, press OK. Scroll through the list and locate Drum 2. Press on OK. The screen will present with Set A4 or Letter in MP Tray. Press the button under Yes. The screen will now be presented with Load Paper in MP Tray Letter. Open up the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. Insert paper along the paper width guides until it stops. The page will automatically be grabbed by the printer and perform the cleaning function. Please wait, as it may take a few minutes to complete. The screen will show the progress of this Drum 2 refresh. The page will clear at the end of the process. Remove the paper. The drum is now clean.